Imagine stepping into your car and being greeted by a sparkling clean interior that shines like a Vegas casino. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's not just a dream. You can make it a reality. Picture yourself on the driver's seat, surrounded by gleaming surfaces, the scent of a fresh, clean environment filling your senses. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about feeling good, elevating your driving experience to a whole new level. Intrigued? Stay tuned in my channel Fiodio Technocars to learn 3 easy steps to give your car interior that much desired shine. Brighten up your car's interior with just 3 easy steps: cleaning, polishing, and maintaining. It's as simple as that. Let's dive right into the first step: cleaning. Start by giving your car a good vacuum, making sure to reach all those nooks and crannies. Next, wipe down the surfaces with a microfiber cloth. It's soft, durable, and perfect for picking up dust and dirt without scratching your car's interior. Moving on to the second step: polishing. Choose a product that's safe and non-greasy. Apply it gently on the surfaces, making sure to buff it out for that extra shine. Remember, a little goes a long way. Finally, the third step: maintaining. Regular cleanings are key to keep your car looking its best. And don't forget to use sunshades when parked. It's a simple trick that can protect your interior from harmful UV rays and heat. These 3 straightforward steps to transform your car's interior from dull to dazzling. So, there you have it. A shiny car interior is just 3 steps away. Remember, it's all about cleaning, polishing, and maintaining. Initially, give your car a good clean, sweep away the dust and grime, then polish to bring out that dazzling shine. And lastly, never forget regular maintenance. This is the secret to keep your car's interior sparkling day after day. With a little bit of effort and these 3 easy steps, you can enjoy a shiny, clean car interior that rivals any Vegas casino. So why wait? Give it a try and experience the difference it makes, and thanks for watching.